So this is our TG SLR. So we're going to upgrade the spring into M100. So let's go, guys. First we remove the Allen bolts over here. The next steps is to unscrew these bolts over here. Let's go. So this is the TG SLR, guys. I removed the railings over here. Now it looks like this. So as you can see, I removed the barrel and also here, and the bolts, and the magazine button, and over here. Okay, let's go. So in this part, guys, I cannot remove the body, so the tip here is you twist the tube like that to remove, and just like that you can open the here. So this is the gearbox of the TG SLR. So let's upgrade the spring into M100, and our battery is stuck, but we have bought 11 volts. So let's try the stock battery and the upgraded battery, guys. So by the way, guys, before you can remove the gearbox, you unscrew the screw in this part so that you can get the gearbox. And let's remove the gearbox, guys. I remove this, and let's remove it. And it's done. Now we perfectly remove the gearbox. So let's change the spring and here. So we need a flat screw, but I don't have a flat screw, so I will get a knife to open this up. Let's go, guys. So here we go, guys. First you push this and turn, and there we go. So this is the stock spring, and now we change it into the M100 spring. So let's go, guys. Let's increase the FPS of this unit so that we can join some, let's just say, competition. So here's the spring comparison, guys. So this is the M100, and this spring is a I don't know. So let's remove the stock. This is the stock. This is the stock, guys, and this is the upgraded spring. So let's start, and let's put this back into the gearbox. So let's go. So just push it. Just like that. Now it's okay, and let's put it back into the body so that we can try the FPS of this upgraded unit. So as you can see, it has a metal gearbox, This SLR has a metal gearbox and ABS plastic shell. So let's go. And now we put the barrel. So now our spring is upgraded, and before we give it a test fire, let's first return the spring into the original position. So let's go. Next step is the spring. Then the screws over here. And now let's put this over here, and the spring is on the other side. And lastly, the last bolt on here. So I'm excited to see the result, guys. PS of the seal. And lastly, the barrel. By the way, I forgot to insert this. Now let's put back there. No, not this one. This. Let's put this. Now let's put the handguard. And this. Now let's do a test fire, guys. Let's put the battery and the so let's try this. So now we upgraded the spring into M100. So this is the stock spring, guys. So let's do this fire. So by the way, the battery I'm using is only the 7 volts, but I have the 11 volts. But let's try first the stock battery. Let's go. Moment of truth. So let's try the full auto. Low bat. So let's change the battery into the 11 volts. 11 volts. So this is the battery, guys. 11 volts. Let's try this one. So this is the 11 volts, guys.